up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I will teach you hip hop. So this song is from Chris Brown. Title of the song is Under the Influence. Okay, this is mixed hip hop, then I put a little bit sexy stuff on this. So yeah, let's start. Alright, let's start! So for this one, we do it a little bit slowly, yeah? So if you have hard time getting the choreography, just rewind the video and yeah, let's start. So from here, you're gonna pop chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, chest. 5, 6, punch on 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, pop your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next. This is 1. Look to your right. 1, 2. So slightly to your left. 2. This is 3. Go 4, 5, and 6. Ball change. 7. Turn around on 8. This is 1. Continue on 2, 3, 4. What's this one? 5, 6. That's a counting slowly. 5, 6, and 7. Then 8. Good job. Let's try from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ball change. Turn around. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So goes to the back and 7, and 8. So you raise your hands a bit and 8. Okay, let's come back from the top. Hard to breathe. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn around. 8. This is 1. So kick and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's continue from here and 8. Side 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest 5, 6. Turn again. 7. Jump on 8. Simple as that. From here 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. Side 1. So this one you will hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. You stop here first because the next one is a bit confusing. One more time. So turn, jump, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Make sure you stop on 1. Close on 1. Now let's go from here. Watch careful. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. So just rewind, keep rewinding until you get it, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Again, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Copy? Let's combine from here. Side 6, 7, and 1. I don't know. From here 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get it? For the last step. Yeah, 2 more 8s, I think. 7, 8. go to the front. 1, 2, back, 3 and 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7. Last 8. Going back. 1, 2. Chest. 3, 4. And you're going to the front. 6, 7. Pose. 8. That's it. Good job. Now let's try everything from the beginning. Here we go. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2. Chest. 3 and 5, 6, 7. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comments on our video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye!